Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer BNB from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new exchanges, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your BNB smoothly and securely. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and moving it between platforms like Coinbase and Gemini is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps in the volatile crypto world. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Gemini, and that you have some BNB in your Coinbase wallet. If you don't, pause this video and get that sorted, it's essential. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the deposit section, select BNB as the cryptocurrency, and generate or copy your unique wallet address. This is crucial because you'll need it for the transfer. Double-check that it's the correct address to prevent any errors. Next, jump over to Coinbase. Log in, go to your dashboard, and find the Send or Withdraw option. Select BNB from your assets list. Now, paste the Gemini wallet address you just copied into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees that might apply. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Make sure the address is right, the amount is accurate, and you're aware of the estimated transaction time, which can vary based on network congestion. Once you're good, confirm the transaction. After that, sit tight and monitor the transfer. You can check the status on both platforms. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Finally, once it's complete, verify the BNB has arrived in your Gemini account. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and keep your devices safe. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one. Stay savvy out there.